Since 1959, Jason Windows has been the industry leader in custom window and door manufacturing in Western Australia and the product of choice for builders and homeowners. We understand a home is a major investment and we are committed to providing the highest quality solutions for windows, doors and security screens at affordable prices. Specifically designed for WA homes, the huge range of Jason products are custom made in our Welshpool factory and rigorously tested to meet our demanding standards of performance, quality and durability. All Jason products are backed up by industry-leading after-sales service. Jason Windows manages all maintenance and servicing needs for the life of the home, either directly or through preferred service providers. Everything Jason Windows does is driven by our strong set of core values and solution-focused customer service. Jason Windows pioneered the introduction of aluminium windows and doors in Western Australia. We have grown to employ over 300 West Australians in the Perth Metro and Southwest region, and as the industry leader, continue to provide value with continuous innovation, quality, performance and service.